save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I would spend them with you.
Himalayan presents the sound of water. Listen to the sound of the mountains that make your water. An unparalleled journey that started in the Himalayan mountains 20 years ago. Timelapse trackers, soundscape ecologists, mountaineers, and travel photographers spent years recording live sounds of whistling winds, drop-by-drop percolation through rock surfaces, and rare liquid percussions using high-altitude radio transmitters, parabolic microphones, and underwater stream synthesizers. These sounds were curated by sound engineers to create an original Himalayan soundscape that was embedded in a waterproof sound chip built inside the bottle cap that is triggered when the bottle is opened and silenced when the bottle is closed. The sound of the mountains was amplified with visual projection mapping of the Himalayan soundscape on the walls of fine dining restaurants during the launch, elevating the experience to a whole new level.
Exclusive one-of-a-kind bottle.
The new Himalayan Sparkling.
This multi-sensorial message in a bottle caught the attention of celebrity chefs, bloggers, editors, and social influencers.
This is like a reminder of this water comes from the Himalaya, where it's sourced for, and what you're going to drink.
The sound of the Himalayas.
How would you transport 1 million consumers to the world's tallest mountains and the deepest Himalayan lakes and let them experience the timeless journey of a drop of water in every sense?